Hi everyone. As you already know about my video before, I already told about my brother, and now I already have more information. So December 8th, at request of my mother, I go to apartment of Alex, my brother, to check what happened with him. And the owner of apartment say Alex died already and his body already removed from the apartment. During inspection by police, they did not find any sign of break-in or anything. Nothing was missing in apartment. Also no some injury in his body. Phones, laptop is confiscated for investigation by police, and police gave me next day laptop, his smart watches. These smart watches he use always. Even he take shower, he use smart watch. So Alex's body was sent for examination, and which confirmed heart attack, myocardial infarction. It's in his autopsy. 3 CCTV cameras have in Alex's apartment, even in the bedroom. I already opened his mobile phones, tablet, so it's important. I open iPhone, so I already read all message, what he talked and what he do it in the last day. Except I cannot open now Samsung. Samsung, it's not easy to open. Need again 24 hours. Every wrong password need wait 24 hours. So I also opened MacBook Pro, his MacBook Pro. This one I already opened, and I know password, and I can read all information also from CCTV camera, from what he doing and what he write in Google. Also, this every watch, smart watch, have password. I already unlock it, and I also read information from his smart watch, Huawei and Samsung watch. So I know already when he died and what happened. I check all, because police cannot open before, even watch, even smartphone and laptop with passport, but I already opened everything except only Samsung, but I think it's few days I need more. It's okay, I can. Alex lived alone. He was very bored. I know he was very bored because he every day have communication with mother. He always, what he do it, he say to her. Even he have scratch, he have show to her picture, all everything. How he cook foods, he always take picture, video. She know always about Alex, what he do it this day. And I know why he bored. He was after an unsuccessful relationship with bar girls, because he tried to find good girls in the Philippines. Most of the guys who go to the Philippines, they want to find some good girl for relationship. It's not only for go to a bar, for drink, not only for party. Same Alex, he want to find good girl, but he have relationship with bar girl. I know this girl. It's already maybe 12 years or 10 years ago. 10 years ago, before he maybe few years relationship with her and break up. So and he start drink alcohol. Because I read also all message from his messages, conversation with this girl. I read already. I know what happened. That's why he very sad. And he start to drink alcohol. He start to hard drink alcohol. If before he drink not so much, but after break up with girl, he drink so much alcohol. And it's already vodka not enough for him. He already, one bottle vodka, it's maybe 1 liter, he can drink one day alone. He mix with juice or some cola. I watch already in the CCTV camera what he doing, how he live. Everything I seen already, and I already know. So also he bought everything in Lazada, because he not go to buy in the store. Everything he bought in Lazada. Even alcohol. I know what kind of vodka he drink, what he eat. Everything he bought online from Lazada or delivery. He not go to SM, he not go to JJ, even there. So December 27, he decide to buy medical alcohol, 95 degree, because it's vodka already not enough for him. He want more alcohol. And December 30, 7:50 morning, courier delivered alcohol. Also delivered with some foods, and the rice also delivered this morning, 7:50. Alex take picture from this phone. He take picture. This you can see so many. He take picture what he delivered. Rice, this vodka, this is alcohol. He delivered this, and he show what. So it's alcohol. It's my medical alcohol. Also rice and shrimp. It's, I don't know, it's Chinese foods. And he mix in this bottle. You can see time. This is time he mix already. Angeles City, Malabanias have map. You can see map. So it's do it Alex alone. I knew what he wrote in the Google search. He asking Google how to mix 95 degree alcohol to 40 degree. And he checked. So it's first time he bought this alcohol. He bought this is medical alcohol. This is 95%. I think maybe it's not original. I think this is if full until here. If full. So he drink its minimum maybe 500 milliliters. 500 milliliters he put to the bottle. He mix in this bottle. As you see, empty. Before he mix maybe like this. It's about one liter. So he mix half alcohol and half water and drink together with juice and cola. All day he drinking and listen music. Listen music, watch TV, because I check TV. TV is still open, still on until police take his body. So Alex was lying in his bed and listening music only, and in his headphones, AirPods Pro, and the TV was on. AirPods Pro I not found in the apartment. Someone take. From apartment I already seen don't have some his things. Maybe owner of apartment, relatives of owner apartment take something, because even I check picture from police. I check. I seen near his body had earphones, but now don't have. That's why someone take already. So Alex was found on only December 5, but body already decomposing. That's why it's not easy to go to his room. I bought this respirator. This is respirator in Wilkins. Only in Wilkins can buy. Not easy to find. In SM I try to find, don't have respirator. In Wilkins have. It's expensive, 3,500. But it's impossible to check his room without respirator. Driver license Russian. And you can see in the video. Also from Alex. Have Alex driver license, old, and key from the home in Russia. And he drink tea in this cup last. Also I check already all his cards, empty cards, don't have anything, don't have money, even 1 peso don't have, even $1 don't have. I check. Money also in apartment don't have. Police give me only 40 peso, but they said about 500 peso they seen. So you already know what happened with my brother. It's problem only alcohol. I just received document from Russia, from Russian Post, from mother, and I already can go to the embassy, to Russian embassy, because it's important now. Need to his body now in the funeral, and also need to pay for funeral 100,000 peso. I asking about funeral, maybe can take body to another funeral, and because it's so expensive, 100,000, it's all including. But they said you cannot send to another funeral, only this funeral, because it's cremation. I know in the Philippines, I already know near our place have 30,000 peso. I Interlac have 25,000 peso. But in Angeles and this funeral, they say I need to pay 100,000 peso. And they cannot give me the death certificate of death. If I not pay 100,000, I asking, can I pay card? They said no, only cash. But I always pay card, I cannot pay cash. No, they said, if you not pay, you cannot take even certificate, even any document, you cannot take. So I will talk now with Russian embassy, go to Manila. No, I think it's already after holidays, because now Christmas, New Year, and most of the government offices is closed. And also I say to some of our subscribers who post always negative comments, please it's not funny for me, not funny for our family. Maybe for you it's funny, but not for me and not for my mother. Because my mother always stressed now. Maybe you understand. But some of people not understand. Thank you for watching.